It's the end of an era for South African breweries, the country's most famous beer producer.
South Africa, important as it is and big in the name, and it being very big on our stock exchange, because growing internationally just meant they became a very big company with a high market capitalization. As it turns out, on the 29th of September, when they finally traded, we estimate that the South African register was probably only about 14% of the total.
SAB Miller shareholders are set to be paid out by the end of this week. However, some are feeling a bit shortchanged. They agreed on £45 a share, but at the going rate, that's a lot lower today than it was before Brexit. However, thanks to the way the deal was struck, the losses are limited.
The price that you're going to get paid out is probably about a 20% premium to where the share price is trading pre this the merger announcement, including a dividend on top of that. So as a shareholder, I think it's been a very good investment for you, and timing maybe wasn't great from a currency perspective, but that's always been the risks when you invest in equities.
It's a new chapter for Dutch brewer AB InBev, which now has a secondary listing on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. The brewer is hoping to expand on the network of operations that SAB Miller developed across the continent.
You have people who want beer, and you have a plant that makes and bottles beer. You have trucks that deliver it to them. I think it would be crazy to do anything other than keep it going as far and as fast as you possibly can.
It's not clear how the restructuring will affect jobs. If AB InBev follows through on its expansion plans, it will be good for employment. And of course, it will provide a wider selection for beer lovers. Sumitra Nydoo, CCTV, Johannesburg, South Africa.